I am Sylvain Achef, Director of the Consortium in charge of the traffic management and safety systems of the L2 corridor. This consortium is composed of three companies: Bouygues Energy and Services, Aximum, and Aegis Projects. The new beltway of Marseille, called the L2 corridor, is part of the Trans-European Road Network. It's a 10-kilometer critical infrastructure bypassing the city, connecting two main motorways, the famous A7 and the A50 along the French Riviera. The L2 corridor is generally a 3-lane infrastructure with 8 cut-and-cover tunnels that cover 52% of its length. It aims to improve the traffic management and the user safety, since the average traffic will be more than 95,000 vehicles per day at its full opening. The client is the SRL2, la Société de la Rocade L2 de Marseille, which is responsible for the design, the construction, and the financing of the project. A special feature of the L2 corridor is that it is operated by the DIRMED, which is the regional state agency, while the SRL2 provides maintenance of its infrastructure, equipment, and systems during 30 years. The Centralized Technical Management System, the CTM system, is built with Ignition and Siemens PLC. It processes data coming from over 12,000 I/O physical points and more than 120,000 tags. It controls and monitors road signs, light systems, power distributions, smoke extraction equipment, overhead air accelerators, and safety barriers. On the other hand, it informs users and notifies the emergency team in case of incident. Due to the project phasing that involved a concurrent engineering process, it was a necessity to use a flexible software package. In this case, Ignition helped us to meet these requirements so that we were able to conduct all design phases quasi-simultaneously and to take into account last-minute changes in the implementation phase. The main challenge was to ensure the safety of the users via different functions. The automatic incident detection, the smoke extraction and the tunnel ventilation, the tunnel closure and the emergency auto evacuation signaling. But also it was to limit the impact of the project on the daily lives of the nearby residents and to meet new ecological construction standards such as sound level, air quality, and energy efficiency. Finally, I'd say that I'm really very proud to lead this project and very proud of our team who achieved the project on time.
I'm Lionel Mazera, Project Manager at Bouygues Energy and Services, a global player in the market of infrastructures, cities, buildings, industry, with more than 12,000 employees. I have 6 years of experience with Ignition. I'm Ignition Gold Certified, module developers, and active member of the Ignition community. Bouygues Energy and Services use Ignition since 2011. We accelerate Ignition adoption for SCADA and custom projects 3 years ago with the help of automation. Ignition outstanding features are the platform agility, setup, design, web launch, the platform openness and modularity, the high level of robustness, and the fast cycle of updates and improvements.
I'm Régis Lebohec, SCADA software development leader at Bouygues Energy and Services. I have over 10 years of experience as software developer integrator in transportation, industry, and vast water plants. A fully object core models, including Ignition and PLC, was built for the first site and applied, upgraded, and extended for other sites. All the system equipments, I/O, communication interfaces are described in MySQL database. PLC code, Ignition UDT, and tags are generated from this database. Ignition implements automated tests of equipments like command and state return check. Ignition is used as a SCADA solution, OPC UA gateway, design tools, and advanced test tools. It's our go-to product to design the equipment score model, to automate the build of tag database, to test our application and perform QA, to share data with other systems. For the whole CTM system, we use 2 pairs of redundant gateway. We have test platform and some local subsystems which are built with ignition for water retention pond and networking monitoring. Ignition licensing model with unlimited tags, clients, and history was a key point for this large project. Also, to ease of installation and zero client deployments save us a lot of time. Ignition gave us the opportunity to use a cost-effective solution. Ignition enabled us to gain the trust of our customer despite the multi-software changes due to the concurrent engineering process. Ignition HMI is used by 4 persons for road tunnels equipment maintenance. During the commissioning, Ignition HMI was used by about 10 persons. Moreover, Ignition gateways expose its data with OPC UA to another wide area system operated by about 20 persons.
We certainly use Ignition again for systems with many communication interfaces in transportation. We plan to use Ignition 8 for dashboard solution and for IoT solution. So we want to thank a lot Inductive Automation support and software design team. They help us to build with Ignition a great solution by continuously adding new features and tackling bugs. We also thank Automation that assisted us for this project during the last 3 years and for other Ignition successful projects. Finally, we would like to thank the client SAL2 for trusting Bouygues Energy & Services and for the successful relationship between our teams.